Today's video will guide you through on how to download the entire Google Drive. To start, open up your Google Drive in your web browser. Now, click on My Drive option at the left-hand side of the screen. So, here's a list of all your files and folders in your Google Drive. To select all the files, you click on one of the files with the left mouse button on your keyboard. Now, press Ctrl A button on your keyboard. So, after all have been selected, now to download all your entire selected Google Drive, you click on the three dots at the top of the screen and you click on Download, or you click on the download option here, the download button here. Now, at the right bottom corner of the screen, you'll find the downloading process. Once it has been downloaded, you're able to locate the files in your downloads on your PC. So, you click on the downloads and you're able to access all files from your Google Drive that you have downloaded. So, that's it, guys. That is how you download the entire Google Drive to your PC. Hope this video helps you out. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more useful videos. Bye friends, and see you in the next video.